Okay, CapCut. So first off, we'll create a new project. And what I normally do is I select all the videos that I want to use. The next thing I'll do is increase the volume for all so that it'll have a better audio. The next thing is we're gonna increase the speed. To find that speed option, just click the video and then click the speed at the bottom beside the split, okay? And then usually just take the normal option and increase it up to 1.1. The maximum that I have used so far in editing a normal video is up to 1.2. So you can just check your preference if the video sounds better or, not fast enough or too fast, then you have to adjust it accordingly. Okay, so what's next? In this video, you can see that Susan has started to speak after maybe 1 second. Okay, so just to remove all those idle part, you can, toggle it left and right and just cut it. Okay, and just select the part where exactly she started to speak. So I can still toggle it a little bit more to the right. Yes, that is perfect. And then at the end also, there is no audio. So we can still cut it down, trim it down. As usual, just trim it by toggling left and right. Okay, so basically that is the first part of doing the video edit.